Regarding our question 8, it is nothing, it's a function and it has two parameters, that is x and y. It has a list as an default value, and what it is happening? We are just going to get the value x and we are just going to append it to y and we are just returning that y value. Okay, and we got some function calls as well. Regarding the default argument, if the argument happen to be any mutable object, that is list or dictionary, what happens is during the function definition itself, Python will assign that object. It could be list or dictionary, but in our case, y is going to be assigned this empty list. Okay. This list is created only once when the function is defined, okay? And the same list is used in every call, that is every function call, unless a new one is given, okay? So this is the trick here. So now let's discuss this program. So inside this function call, at the first function call, we are sending 1 as a value. Now x is 1 and now it enters here and y is already created as an empty list, right? So y dot append of x, the value is 1. Now we are just going to return y, and what it would be? It is 1. In second function call, we are sending 2 as a value. So now the x value is 2, and now what happens? The same list, that y is going to be appended with another value, that is 2. And so the output will be 1, 2. And now in the third function call, there is a trick. We are sending the value x is 3 and the y is this new empty list, what we are passing right now. So the return value will be, after appending the x value to y, yes, we'll be getting only 3 inside that list. Okay, yes. And with the fourth function call, what is happening? We are just sending only 4 as a value. So now the x is 4, and what happens? It is just going to append to the original list. Okay, y is equal to 1 and 2, that list which has that 1 and 2 value, it is going to be modified. It is going to be appended with this value 4, and we are just getting that back. So the output is 1, 2 and 4. So this is how the default mutable argument behaves, and it is kind of tricky yet easy once we are cautious about its behavior, so that we won't be surprised with any unexpected outputs. Okay, have fun with programming and fall in love with programming. And friends, don't forget to like and share this video. And as well, the most important thing is, yes, join me in this journey of learning. Let's make this journey more interesting and fun-filled one. Bye bye and take care.